Welcome back, Hilltoppers. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Dave, and if you're a returning viewer, I want to thank you all. I really appreciate the support and glad y'all are coming along for today's video. Today we're out here at the mill. We've got this pretty big walnut log here. We'll go ahead and get some measurements. Oh, boy. We're going to be about 43, 44 inches across the peak of the crotch there. And then we're right around 30 inches in diameter on the base of it. So we're going to go ahead and try to get this up on the mill, and we'll have to clean up this crotch a little bit so we can make some 25-inch slabs out of it. But that's what we're going to be doing. So I hope you all stick around and enjoy the video. All right, we got our shop heater going. We just burn all the small scraps that we don't make into firewood when it's cold like this, and makes it more enjoyable to be out here milling. All right, everybody, let me tell you a little bit about what we're doing here with this log. Obviously, we had to trim down some of the horns off the crotch figure there, and we've gotten that, I believe that's going to be 25 or 26 inches wide there on the crotch. And then we're not able to use our turning blocks, because when we do, we're going to be losing some length. So we're actually going to gain, probably going to get 0.5, 26-inch slabs by doing it this way. This piece, I guess it is holding a little bit. Put it in there because it's wanting to really lean in on me. So sometimes you just got to get creative when you're wanting to get the widest slabs you can get. So we're set up now. We're gonna start cutting 8/4. This first one's gonna be pretty much lost cause, but the next one after that ought to yield a pretty good slab for us. Here's some of them offcuts we got just off that tail end there, and saving these because these will actually clean up and look pretty neat. Alright, my goodness. That's going to be a pretty slab right there. Pretty thick sack ring. Sometimes that's desired, sometimes it's not. It's hard to say. All right, we got the rain coming, so this would be the last cut we're gonna make for today. I just wanted to show you all this piece. This is what I'm excited for right here. My goodness. They got some weight to them, let me tell you. So we're milling these at 8/4, and we got 25 3/4 there, 24 1/2. Let's wake this walnut up a little bit. All right, guys. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I thank y'all for tuning in. All in all, this yard tree that we bought, this walnut, turned out amazing. It was well worth the risk, and thankfully it only had one chunk of metal there at the beginning. So once we got that removed, and it really made some beautiful slabs. So sometimes you win on these. So I appreciate y'all coming by, and we'll look forward to having you watch our next video. Y'all take care.